My name is Bernadette. I'm the queen of fabrics.
Merci.
Thank you very much.
Bernadette comes from the heart of Bujumbura, the capital of Burundi. About 25 years ago, she came up with the idea to enter into the batenge or fabric business after seeing her friend selling it. And how much money did she start with at the beginning?
So I started with 30,000 Burundi currency, around $10.
So with exactly $10 to her name, she bought her first fabric from nearby Congo and opened up a small shop, one of 3,000 in the Bujumbura City Market. But she quickly found out the illegal process of getting the fabrics without paying taxes. It's what everyone else was doing, and succeeding under the table. She became tired of the corruption, so she set her own standard of doing business by paying taxes normally, separating herself from the others.
So you know what make her to enjoy a lot in this business? It's because of she realized that to be in Lego make her to be in peaceful, gives her to feel happy in dealing with such business, because of when it's a time to pay tax, she pays, then there is no problem in this business. And then she realized also as a Christian woman, to operate in an illegal way is a sin.
Her positive ethics have led her to have tremendous success, moving $100,000 worth of products at her peak before the market burned down a few years ago. So we are now arriving at Bernadette's shop, which is this tiny little alley inside of the market. And there's all these other fabric shops here, and then we just arrived to hers, and it's the most glorious one. It's the biggest one. She has the most amount of fabric.
I like it for my wife, you know. Then she will be very happy when she sees this big surprise for her.
Amazing.
It's amazing, yeah.
And how much is one, on average, how much is one fabric?
The bitenge are depending upon the number of pieces. There are some pieces which started at $5, others $8 to $15.
What's inspiring about Bernadette is that she sees the long-term picture, whereas her competitors are just looking to make a quick buck. There are many shop owners here, as I told you, thousands, but she's the only one who does it the legal way. And for that, she deserves all of my respect. My last question is, what is one message that you want to say to the world?
My message to the world, when you work in integrity, then you're happy, and then you pay even the taxes, because when you pay tax, you take a part in the development of the country. When you're working legally, you feel peaceful. Then even if you don't earn a lot of money, but you're satisfied by the money that you earn. This is my message all over the world.
Great, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Wisconsin is my university. That's my university. Wisconsin. I spent 4 years there.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm in the middle of Burundi at the market, and there's a guy cutting goat here, and he has a Wisconsin shirt. He doesn't understand.
No, he doesn't understand.
The shirt. My university. When you fly your drone at a market in Burundi, you gather a massive crowd. There must be 50 people right now looking up at the drone. You're like a famous person. This is so insane.
Come on.
There's like 200 people now behind us, and we have our drone. With the chickens, we got the chickens. Ça va? Oui, ça va. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.